Today we will study microeconomics topic demand. Microeconomics topic demand part 1. Meaning of demand: number of goods that the customers are ready and able to buy at several prices during a given time frame. Demand of a product can be defined as the quantity of a product that a consumer is eager to purchase, can afford at a given price, and is according to his/her preferences and taste. Whenever there is a change in any of those variables, then the demand and supply of a product starts changing. Okay. Next topic is elements of demand. First, quantity of the commodity. Consumers should decide how much quantity of a particular good they want to buy. Example: 1 kg rice or 2 liter milk. Second, willingness to buy. Consumer should be willing or ready to purchase any good, otherwise it will not be called demand. Third, price of the commodity. It is most important factor for demanding any good. If price is low, quantity demand might be high or vice versa. Fourth, period of time. When the price remains same, even then demand can change. Example: demand for woolen clothes is more during winters than in summer. These are the 4 elements of demand. Okay students, now next topic is determinants of individual demand. Individual demand relates to one consumer. Price of the commodity. It is the most important factor regarding demand. When price gets increased, the quantity demanded decreases, and when price decreases, the quantity demand increases. Example: price of tea decreases, people will start demanding it more, and vice versa. Second, price of related goods. It includes 2 types of goods. First, substitute. That good which can be used in place of one another. Example: tea and coffee. If price of tea increases, people will switch to coffee and vice versa. Second, complementary goods. It used together to satisfy wants. Example: car and petrol. If we have car and don't have petrol, then what's the use of car? If price of petrol rises, the demand for car will decrease. Third is income of the consumer. It is the most important factor regarding demand, because with the help of money only, people will demand any product. If income is low, they will demand less and will buy more of inferior या cheap quality goods. If income increases, they will start demanding more and will buy good of high quality. Taste and preferences. It directly affects demand. If the commodity is in trend, the demand will be more. If the product is out of fashion or consumers' taste changes, the demand will fall. Fifth, expectation of change in price in future. If consumer is expecting the price is going to increase, they will start buying of that good now and vice versa. Example, petrol. Determinants of market demand: size and composition of population. If the population is large, there occurs large demand because of more number of people. If the population is small, there occurs less demand because of less number of people. Second, season and weather. It affects the demand largely. In the season of winter, woolen clothes will be in demand, not cotton clothes. Umbrellas will be in demand during rainy weather than any other. Third, distribution of income. Income should be distributed equally. If there are more number of poor people, the demand will be less because they can't afford these things. And all others determinants are as same as individual demand. Demand function. Relationship between quantity demanded and factors that influence it. Factors like price, taste, income, etc. Individual demand function. Formula: dx equal to f bracket px comma pr comma y comma t comma f. dx demand for commodity x, px price of the given commodity, pr price of related goods, y income of the consumers, t taste and preferences, f expectation of change in price in future. Market demand function: dx equal to f bracket px comma pr comma y comma t comma f comma po comma s comma d. f तक हमने कर लिया. अब po size and composition of population, s season and weather, d distribution of income. Demand schedule. Table showing quantity demanded of a good or service at given price levels. 2. Demand schedule. Individual demand schedule shows demand of an individual customer for a commodity in relation to its price. If the price is high, they will demand less, and if price is low, they will demand high. Second, market demand schedule shows quantity of a good that all consumers in a market will purchase at a given price. Demand curve. Graphical representation of demand schedule shows inverse relationship between the quantity demanded of a commodity with its price, keeping other factors constant. Individual demand curve. Graphical representation of individual demand schedule. Market demand curve. Graphical representation of market demand schedule.